here, so you have to let it out sometime. So you understand, and not only that, there is good and bad in everybody. And there's a thing named acceptance. So they have to accept you with everything where you come with. But God accepts you with everything where you come with, you know, Queenie. Can you know, some believe one day, so you're gonna give everything to him?
I believe that.
Everything to him. Yes, you just go on for your journey until you come off of that journey there. Amen. So yes, we have to still love you through your journey. We have to love you through your good time. We are talk genuine love now. We're not talk pop down a road love, you know. So we love you today and I love you tomorrow. We are talk consistent love. Sometimes I want to slap you through the phone to you and say, quit the man. But you know, after I'm done, I'm sit down, I look at you, I'm laughing, I'm say, you know, I love that woman there. Me don't know her like that, but me just love that woman there. So we have to love you through your good time, we have to love you through your bad time. And me not there yourself for bash, you know. Me there yourself for uplift you and continue go and pray for you, because me know say you're going to pull through one day. You can't stay upon the same ground every day. You can't stay upon the same level every day. There is higher level. I believe it's a higher level there for you. And you're going to come out shining like gold. And all who think say, oh, Queenie, I not. No. Listen, you see when man put aside a man dash way. I said this is good for nothing. God said, listen, look here. You are mine. I'm going to show them when I can't do for you. Let me show them, say, in spite of all them look upon you, yeah? Look upon that girl you know. It's not the Queenie we see yesterday. It's a different Queenie today. So Queenie, keep on strong. You hear? And keep on fight. Don't stop fight. And not give up and not watch what nobody wants to say. Because when we notice as well, we Jamaicans sometimes we bring down each other too much instead of we lift them up. When we sister, we brother, we sister, God, and instead of we lift them up, we are push them down. But we're not going to push you down. I lift me, I lift you up.
What's your name?
Denise, man. We live at Bristol.
Oh.
I can't already when Rochelle did me tell us me are the first man Rochelle come dream. I mean I know Rochelle, you remember?
Remember. Oh God, are you?
Bless man, I mean man. Bless up yourself, Queen. I love your man. Continue for your journey, mama. You understand what I say? As me say, everybody journey different. And nobody condemn you. There is no condemnation. God not condemn you.
Thank you, Denise.
I'm gonna bring you out, Queenie. Bless up yourself here, mama.
Thank you, Queen.
And stay strong. Queen wave to you. And Queen wave to everybody on the life. Everybody just lift up on herself. And you know, God is love. God is love.
Amen, amen, amen. God is love. Thank you. What a lovely speech. Anna, please. Thank you. To God be the glory. Thank you, Denise. Thank you, thank you. I don't know me emotional. To God be the glory. Great lady. Papa glad. Hey, I'm glad my ball is still in. But now lie. Let all this team and weed and come again. And who them people? Philippa, K, something another, CC. One I send me a heap of flowers. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let the world hear his voice. Love you, Landy. Everything, Mom. Denise, big up yourself. Girl power strength. How long TikTok live last? As long as?
Yeah.
Or 1 hour?
Take a little break and come back on again, you know?
Yeah, man, I take a little break and come back. But, no, man, I'm going to come on because...
You want some tissue?
No, I'm alright, you know, I have this work, man. My good landed, thank you, baby, thank you. You know, I'm emotional, I love.
I'm just going to moderator.
Yeah, come, yeah, nice. He got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole world.
Alright, 1 second.
In his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands. London, how me mute this if more I mute it? I don't understand nothing.
Top boy.
Oh, Top Boy, yeah.
Top boy. Blood clot. Real general.
Crazy.
Real general.
Never lazy. Walk on, my dubs. What's up, my homies?
Oh, say boy.
Walk on. The Queen is there. Where you calling from?
You're calling from Liverpool.
Liverpool. That's the school, Liverpool. And right about now, I'm a cocky boy. Them down at Liverpool. All of the nice, clean boy. Them down at Liverpool. Big up on yourself.
Where you from?
I'm in North London. I'm in Tottenham, London.
London. OMG. We brothers from there.
Tottenham, all of the clean fat pussy guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yo. Yo, fam. Hello. The Liverpool boy, them. I be a boy down Liverpool. Be a sweet, cute, handsome boy down Liverpool.
You ever been Liverpool, auntie?
Pardon?
You ever been Liverpool, auntie?
Yes, I've been there.
You ever been Liverpool, auntie?
Yes, I've been there. I've been there many times. I've been to Durham.
Where?
Hello, I've been to Durham. I've been to Liverpool. I've been,
Yes.
you know Durham prison?
Durham prison.
Yes.
No. Where's that by?
After you pass Liverpool, there's a prison called Durham.
Durham prison. Oh, Durham prison. Yes.
Yeah, I've been there. I spent 2 weeks there ages ago, fam. So I've been there.
2 weeks.
Fam, bare white people. Crazy. Hello, darling dear. What's your name, pretty girl?
Hi, my name is Chantel. Yeah, Chantel.
How you doing, Chantel?
I'm alright. How you guys doing?
We're just here sending some love.
That's nice. I was just coming live like a minute and you're sending. Mommy, I don't have my friends around.
Hello, you're not allowed to smoke, okay? My friends don't smoke or they will block my TikTok, please.
Bye-bye. Bye, aunties.
Bye, see ya. Nice.
Bye.
How
How do I leave?
What's up?
I'm alright. Where you at? Where you streaming from?
I'm in North London. I'm in Tottenham.
Auntie.
No, that's okay.
Hello,
That's
Liverpool
cool.
boys. What's up? Who's saying auntie? Yeah, so Chantel, we gotta play a game. No, we're not playing a game.
We ain't playing no game. I've got no one here.
Okay. The match. How we do this thing now, Chantel? So what area are you in, Chantel?
I'm streaming from France.
Oh,
France.
from
I'm in
France.
France.
Oh, you speak
Yeah.
clear English clearly. That's good. How many languages?
I'm English.
How many languages do you speak?
Just English and French.
Oh, 2.
Yeah.
Lucky you.
Thank you.
I like when people can speak different languages. I like it. It's intriguing to me.
Mm-hmm.
I had a friend once who could speak 9 different languages.
Wow.
I know.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. I live in England like me, I'm 25, 26 years. And
Okay.
I still got my word.
What origin are you?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Oh, I love that Bobo Clat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's good. Jamaica's a lovely Caribbean country, and it's beautiful. Nice, famous places, the weather, the people, everything about Jamaica is beautiful.
Yeah. You're black, you're beautiful.
Sometime, yeah?
Doesn't matter where you're from. You're black, you're beautiful.
Yes. Black will always stand out, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Black
it.
and beauty, yes. And we're all...
I know I've got no one here, but let's play one match.
Okay.
Because I have some friends just chilling every evening playing some games, nasty games. So just having
I do
fun.
music,
So
you know,
let's try.
Chantel.
Go on.
Yes, I do music, so if you go on YouTube, Queen Lady Gangster, you'll see my songs.
Okay, I'm going to follow you up because I'm a YouTuber as well. My name is Shanta Kev TV program on YouTube, but I'm going to follow you.
Okay, well, my main power is Instagram. So if you send me a DM on Instagram, and if you search for Queen Lady Gangster, I've got blue tick.
Queen Lady Gangster.
Yeah,
I'm
with
going
the
to
blue
check
tick.
for
Cause
that.
I got some different page, but the one with the blue tick, that's me.
Okay, I'll check in.
Yeah, so you
Check
send me
in.
a DM. And we can have Girl Power link up, because I do Girl Power Wednesday. I've got a program, Girl Power. Yeah, so we can have some chit chat, play some games, whatever.
I love games. I love games. Like,
And life is the biggest game. Yeah. Hello, come on, Tops and Roses. Tops and
oh, thank you
Roses.
guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Share the
Thank
live,
you.
please. Share the live. Share the live. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Queenie and Chantel is here. Come on, ladies. Come on.